Assalamu alaikum dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussed about in a topic that my topic is Unity.com. The successful stories of the clients see how creates and studio around the world and achieve remarkable success with Unity's solution with services. Loading. How Malpa Games grew their D14 retention 40% higher than ROAS campaigns with Unity Ads event optimization. How Leo increased average install CVR by 15% and ARP DAO by 10% with Unity to become a leader in match 3 games. How Crazy Maple Studio exceeded their D7 Rose goal by 150% and drove 120% higher LTV with the Tab Joy from Unity offer wall. How KLM Royal Dutch Airlines built a VR cockpit trainer with XR technology. How CodeSyncs reduced web load timer for ready set cookie by 25%. So guys, the Unity Cloud of the Unity.com connected solution for building and running games and real-time 3D experience. Go to market fosters. Reduced application switching and integration management with vital connection across the Unity editor, Unity Assist Manager, Unity Vision, Control and Unity Game Services. Unify contents across your studio. Unity Assist Manager is a digital assist management DAM system tailored for the users of game development to power content, reuse and kickstart work on new content. Run of host large scale multiplayer games. Flexible and extensible tools streamline every aspect of the multiplayer game development journey from concept and auto paying through launch and live operations. Get the insight you need for a better player experiences. Unity tools offer post launch insight, saving development time and enhances your live games experiences for success. Integration with Creative Tools Editor Plus DevOps. Project and Assist are wherever you need them. Browse content in Unity Assist Manager from the edition and add assist to your project in seconds. For versioning link Unity, Vision Control repose with every cloud projects you launch for Unity Hub. Digital Assist Management for 3D content provide team member with a single source of truth for 3D content across your organization. Browse assist via intuitive folder structure and search for fastest or find content directly using keyboard search. Assist transformation, automation and previews. Content stored in Unity Assist Manager can be automatically analyzed for preview and metadata generation and can be transformed to work across pipelines and powered dynamic rendering. Intuitive dashboard and centralized admin portal. Discover new products and services across the Unity ecosystem within a streamlined UI and personalized. Decluttered dashboard experience that centralized powerful admins tools like role based permission and product usage tracking. Centralized access to gaming services, Unity Gaming Services are part of the Unity Cloud ecosystem. Add services to your projects via the Unity dashboard, then customize your experience. Gaming services are free to start with consumption based pricing, so you only pay as your games grows. Flexibility and extensibility. With a simple, well documented AP1 and a SDK that makes it easy for your developers to access and manage assets to return. So guys, with this we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you Allah.